Okay, what's up YouTube? Matt here, and I'm gonna give you guys an update on how those Depo lights are doing on my 328i. So I purchased these a little over 6 months ago, and I'm pretty satisfied on how they perform and look. So the only thing that I haven't yet done is change the low beam bulbs. But when I do, I'll make another video on that, and I'll show you guys what they look like. So let me show you guys what they look like. Okay, so here's the car. I'm just gonna unlock it real quick, and you can see the solid rings. I'm gonna turn on the car and show you what they look like when it's running. So yeah, there they are, looking fresh as fuck. You guys already know what to expect. I remember when I first drove the car, I noticed the hugest difference on like the visibility compared to the regular halogen lights. But yeah, so the car just turned off. Those are them. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll be making more videos soon on when I update the bulbs, and yeah, until next time.